I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Happen nga guys, talaga namang trending sa social media itong ating Bel Mariano na kung saan ay na-interview nga siya sa Good Day LA. Alam naman natin na ito nga guys ay patungkol sa kanilang meet, greet and buy na movie. At ngayon nga guys, ito naman ang kasama ng ating Bel Mariano, si Papa P. At narito nga guys sa sinabi ni Papa P na talaga namang trending na sa social media.
Was Belle on set?
Oh, well,
Excuse me.
Ikaw lang yan.
Ako lang ba?
yeah, we can hear you. Belinda, surprisingly being the youngest, she was one of the reasons why we stuck together. You know, she keeps us together. You know, it's hard because you're the only girl, but she was like one of the boys, and she's a breath of sunshine. You know, when she comes to the set, she makes sure she hangs out with us. She makes sure that she's always with us. She checks up on us. Even we have a group chat, the whole family, and yeah, she's our baby.
Alright, so this...
Ayon nga kay Papa P, she is our baby. Choose for this one, you are love babe. Dahil talaga namang bunsong-bunso nga nila itong ating Bel Mariano, lalong-lalo na nga sa movie na Meet, Greet and Buy. Kaya naman sobrang na-excite na nga rito ang maraming bablis ngayon. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update nila Donnie at Bel sa mga susunod pa na ayuda.